Hi, welcome to this video. To change your name on Discord, all you gotta do is just open the app, click your name at the very bottom, hit edit profile. First, to change the display name, change it to something else, right? And then hit save at the very top right, right? Next, if you want to change your username, click settings and hit account. Gonna just cut this one out because there is a sensitive information inside the account settings. So I'm gonna get back to you afterwards. Now inside the account settings or account information, you're gonna find username at the very top. So I'm gonna tap username and I'm gonna get back to you. Now all you gotta do is just change your original username for something else, right? And then hit save. So that's how you change the Discord username or display name at the beginning. Lastly, changing your Discord username, right? So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.